Number 1. The 1976 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $6,500, located in Glendale, Arizona. The condition is excellent for its age and remains all original, meaning it has not undergone any major modifications. This car has had only one owner since new and has always been in Arizona, which means it is nearly rust-free due to the dry climate. The exterior is cream-colored with a classic 70s look, featuring original wheels with hubcaps and intact chrome bumpers. The interior is brown with a front bench seat, an original dashboard, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel showing slight wear. The V8 engine is clean and still in its factory configuration. There are no signs of major modifications or excessive repairs, indicating the car has been well maintained. This car can be shipped anywhere in the U.S. at the buyer's expense. Number 2. The 1965 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, priced at $8,000, located in Lakewood, Colorado. This car remains in original condition since leaving the factory. The 455 V8 engine and 3-speed automatic transmission are still functional but need attention, especially the oil pump, which a mechanic has recommended replacing. The car has no rust, but there are some dents and hail damage requiring bodywork and a repaint. The interior is also original from 1965, but needs repairs and reupholstering to restore comfort. It has been owned for 6 of 7 years, has a clean title, and was last serviced a year ago. While it is still running and drivable, it may need additional tuning for optimal performance. Given its condition, the car is offered at an affordable price or best offer. Number 3. The 1968 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $7,500, located in El, Minnesota. Previously owned by the son of the original owner and purchased by the current owner in 2021, the car was originally bought new at Schoon Motorco. When purchased, it was not running or drivable, but after extensive repairs, it is now back on the road and has even been driven to various automotive events, including a trip to Des Moines and back. The car is reliable and comfortable to drive, though some bodywork was done on the fender decades ago. It features a Pontiac 400 engine with an automatic transmission but lacks power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. The owner has upgraded the carburetor from a 2-barrel to a 4-barrel but has kept the original parts. Additionally, a cup holder and USB charger were added for modern convenience. This car is now ready for a new owner to enjoy its uniqueness and history. Number 4. The 1974 Ford Torino Elite, priced at $2,500, located in Apache Junction, Arizona. There are signs of previous repairs on the left rear panel due to an accident. The interior retains its classic feel with a red and wood tone combination but is quite worn, with torn leather seats and some dashboard and trim sections needing restoration. The speedometer shows 63,000 miles, but the odometer may not be accurate. This car has a 351 modified engine with an automatic transmission and is still running but needs a tune-up and timing adjustment for better performance. The salvage title indicates it was previously damaged and repaired, though there are signs of cracking paint in the repaired area. Overall, the car retains many original components, including the engine and transmission. Number 5. The 1963 Buick Wildcat, priced at $10,000, located in Liberty Lake, Washington. This is a classic car in excellent condition, ready for long-distance travel without issues. The original 401 nail-head engine with a dual 2-speed transmission runs smoothly, with a total mileage of less than 70,000 miles. Routine maintenance has been well managed, including new brakes, an exhaust system, and tires to ensure optimal performance. The exterior paint was refreshed in the 1990s and remains well preserved, rated 9 out of 10, while the interior is rated 8 out of 10, with minor cracks on the dashboard. The cabin retains its classic design, featuring elegant cream-colored leather seats. This car offers a smooth and reliable driving experience. It is also available for trade for a mini skid steer or tractor. Number 6. The 1968 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $9,000, located in Kirtland Air Force Base, New Mexico. Finished in electric blue metallic paint, This car has undergone significant repairs and performance upgrades. The original matching numbers 390 engine has been fully restored with various new components, including a water pump, alternator, radiator, starter, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Holly Street Avenger 650 carburetor, and a disc brake conversion system featuring new calipers, stainless steel brake lines, and slotted rotors. The suspension has been upgraded with coilover shocks in the front and rear, while the original power steering system remains functional. The interior is still original but needs restoration, particularly the headliner. A new black loop carpet has been installed, and the original radio still works. The exterior features bumpers with new bolts and 20-inch wheels with nearly new tires. Some imperfections include the worn interior and a few unfinished details. Overall, the car is in good condition with solid performance, but there is still room for improvement to make it even better. Number 7. The 1972 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $6,400, located in Caldwell, Idaho. Mechanically strong but in need of cosmetic restoration, especially in the interior and paintwork. From the photos, the interior appears worn, with a damaged headliner and torn, worn-out seat upholstery. The dashboard is intact but needs cleaning and possibly minor repairs. The exterior retains the classic muscle car shape with a solid steel body, though the paint is dull, and there are minor panel damages. The trunk is spacious but requires tidying up. The 350 V8 engine with electronic ignition is reported to run well, and the suspension remains sturdy. The car features aircraft high beams and has a clean title. At this price, it offers a chance to own a piece of American automotive history, though it requires effort to restore. Number 8. The 1966 Plymouth Fury 3, priced at $5,000, located in Ozark, Missouri. Overall, it remains in decent condition. The exterior retains its classic blue color with well-preserved chrome, though some age-related wear is visible. The 318 V8 engine runs well and has received several upgrades, including a new intake carburetor, distributor kit, spark plugs, and wires. The exhaust system features Flowmaster mufflers, delivering a signature high-performance sound. A newer big block aluminum radiator has been installed for improved cooling. The interior remains original, showing natural wear on the dashboard and seats. The instrument panel is fully functional, displaying a mileage of 63,000 miles, which is relatively low for a car of this age. The tires are nearly new, ensuring better safety on the road. The car comes with a clean title in the current owner's name and is open for trade considerations. Number 9. The 1970 Buick Skylark, priced at $4,500, located in Columbus, Ohio. A solid candidate for a restoration project, the 350 V8 engine and TH350 automatic transmission run well, allowing the car to be driven while undergoing restoration. The body shows rust in several areas, including the lower quarter panels and lower fender extensions, and the trunk pan and cabin floor require repair. The interior is in rough shape, with torn front seats exposing foam, though the rear section is in better condition but still needs refreshing. The engine bay and undercarriage show signs of age and rust, but there are no major structural issues that prevent functionality. With a clean title and an affordable price, this car presents a great opportunity for a restoration project. Number 10. The 1967 Chevrolet C10 Short Bed, priced at $7,500, located in Richmond, Virginia. This truck has been modified and features a 350 engine with a mild camshaft and a TH350 automatic transmission. Several recent upgrades include a new battery, new exhaust, new spark plugs, and new plug wires. The truck has been lowered and fitted with a custom roll pan, LED taillights, and a bedliner in the cargo area. All lights are functional, and the frame and undercarriage remain solid. The body is in generally good condition but requires repairs on the rocker panels. This truck is ideal for both a restoration project and regular driving. Shipping is available if needed. Number 11. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $7,500, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This car has a VIN starting with VC. Originally equipped with a 265 engine and a 3-on-the-tree transmission, it now has a 292 engine that previously had a tri-power setup and a 4-speed transmission, both of which are no longer present. The body is generally solid, but there are significant issues. The driver's floor near the footwell is soft, a small hole exists in the rear driver's floor, and the trunk is solid except near the filler panel at the bumper. The outer rocker panels have holes below the B-pillar, the headlight areas have rust holes, and the passenger door is in poor condition. It has been replaced with a door from another car. The interior is in very poor shape due to age and possible moisture damage, with the dashboard showing 726 miles. The car runs and drives easily, and the owner offers assistance with transport for an additional fee. This vehicle requires extensive work for a full restoration. Number 12. The 1963 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $10,000, located in Huntsville, Alabama. This is a classic 4-door sedan with its original straight-six engine and 3-on-the-tree transmission, still retaining its original paint. The car has extremely low mileage, only 34 miles, making it a rare and special find. The interior has been refurbished with a clean and elegant finish while maintaining the vintage 1960s feel. Additional features include a heater, but no ASC, the original working radio, and rear air suspension for a smoother ride. The car is in road-ready condition with no mechanical issues, though the trunk lock requires a minor fix due to a missing spring, which may be difficult to source due to the vehicle's age. With its timeless design and well-preserved condition, this car is an excellent choice for collectors or classic car enthusiasts. Number 13. The 1968 Pontiac Lemons, priced at $8,200, located in BG, Minnesota. Described as a restoration project, the body shows signs of aging with faded red paint and significant rust, particularly on the undercarriage, which is in poor shape and may need replacement. The interior is intact with cream-colored seats but shows signs of wear and dirt. The dashboard and steering wheel are original but likely need repair or refinishing. The trunk is dirty with a rusted floor and an old spare tire. The 400 V8 engine with an automatic transmission is currently not running due to a broken bolt in the intake manifold and a water pump issue, so the car will need to be trailered. The seller mentions that additional spare parts may be included, such as a sandblasted and powder-coated replacement frame. Overall, this is a major restoration project requiring a significant investment, particularly for frame and engine repairs, but it has the potential to be brought back to life with dedicated effort. Number 14. The 1973 Plymouth Duster, priced at $3,200, located in ASA, Massachusetts, featuring the rare gold Duster package, including a snakeskin gator grain vinyl roof and a sunroof. This barn-fresh car remains highly original, with factory paint, glass, and trim, and has never been in an accident. The slant-six engine turns freely but requires a full restoration. The interior is relatively well preserved with an intact dashboard, steering wheel, and door panels, and the original factory radio is still present. However, the floor will need repairs. While the overall body is solid, rust is present in several areas, particularly around the engine bay and lower door panels. The car remains complete with its original fender tag, jack, and tools, making it a great candidate for restoration or a parts donor. The asking price is reasonable for a vehicle in this condition. Number 15. The 1960 Chevrolet Corvair, priced at $1,000, located in Jefferson City, Missouri. This is a non-running project car. It has a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and can be turned over with a key, though it is unclear if it will start without further repairs. The body is mostly solid, but the rear floor is severely rusted and largely deteriorated. The front trunk area remains in decent condition. The interior is very worn, with multiple damaged parts, including a heavily worn gas pedal and a rusty floor pan. The exterior paint is faded and peeling, with significant rust spots throughout. This car is being sold as a restoration project at Governor Motor Company for a low price.
Check out my other videos and click the subscribe button below. Thanks, dude.